Hey guys, it's me, Tom. I'm about to go out to Canadian Tire and then go to work soon. So just thought I'd show you an EDC update. Of course, when I'm at work, all the stuff on me goes into my bag. So yeah. So first off, right here in my left pocket, in the front, I have this little knife. Okay, I'm going to be doing a video about it. Not really a review, or just like an overview for it soon. Right here, in this little pocket, I have my yellow Zippo. Right here on my side, I have multi-tool, back pocket, wallet, front pocket is my cell phone, and then right here is iPod. What I'm actually going to get at Canadian Tire, if they have any, is a sharpening tool for my knives. Just a little one, because I don't have anything, so yeah. So one second. So this is what I usually carry with me. For the multi-tool, I'll either have it on my belt or in my Eddie Bauer bag that I always have with me. And in my Eddie Bauer bag, I also have a camera, another video camera, just a little one, and a screwdriver that has switchable pieces and some Allen keys. I also have a flashlight and an Eddie Bauer survival kit. So this is it: wallet, multi-tool, phone, iPod, Zippo, knife. So just to show you, one sec. This knife is really stiff. I have to two-hand it, but that's basically the knife. Oh, there you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace.